Hi students, in the last class we have studied about looping and different types of loops. We have learned different types of loops, that is while loop, divide loop and for loop. The same looping statements can be used in arrays. How can we use these looping statements in arrays? Before using these looping statements in arrays, first of all we have to know what is an array. The array is a group of related data items which can share a common name. There are different types of arrays. First one is single dimensional array, double dimensional array, and third one is multi-dimensional array. How can we declare these single dimensional array names? There is some syntax in C language. We have to follow the same syntax to declare a single dimensional array. What is the declaration? Data type, array name of size. Here the data type means any one of particular C data types. Either it may be integer, float, character or string. Whereas array name can be any characters that contains maximum 5 to 10 size. Whereas the size, in between the square brackets we have given the size. That means how many elements you want to store in that particular array is mentioned by using size. So if we use only one subscript, then we can call it as one-dimensional array. For example, int a of 5. Here the data type is integer and the array name is a and the size of array is 5. What is the meaning of this example int a of 5 means? The array a contains 5 integer elements. That means it can store 5 integer values. Example, integer a of 5 equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 we have given. How these values will be stored as represented in pictorial form, that is nothing but in picture form, as follows. Suppose for example if you take array name as A's, the value of 22 has been stored in a of 0, that is nothing but a's of 0, and similarly 25 is stored in a's of 1, 30 is stored in a's of 2, 32 is stored in a's of 3 and 35 is stored in a's of 4. Generally when we use arrays, the array starts from 0 in C language. For example, if you take any program, suppose for example if you want to display the values 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, let us write a program. So by using the header files #include stdio.h and #include pointer.h and the C language, the program starts with the main function. Here I have declared the array int a of 5 equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. That means we can also initialize values like this by using double brackets. And one more variable I have declared, that is counter variable, that is I. In for loop, already we have used for loop in the previous assignment, that is nothing but it is one of a looping statement. So here how can we use this for loop is for I equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. So whatever the value has been stored in between 0 to 5, those values will be printed by using printf statement in this program. So the values 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 has been stored as, what is the array name here? A of 0 equal to 10, A of 1 equal to 20, A of 2 equal to 30, A of 3 equal to 40 and A of 4 equal to 50. So next coming to two-dimensional array. So here the declaration of two-dimensional array is as follows. Data type, array name, size of rows and size of columns. Here in two-dimensional array, it contains two subscripts. The first subscript represents row, that is nothing but size of rows, and second subscript represents size of columns. So generally this two-dimensional array is used in matrices because the matrix contains rows and columns. Thank you.